Duomo App Premium. So here's Duomo app when you try a free trial or upgrade, and I will just show you is it worth for you to upgrade in. And you need to complete these 4 quick activities to begin walking in his light. So just 5 minutes total. So this is, you see the onboarding, how it looks like in this app. Then just read this. So then you can see this another thing, and this is just how the app looks like. So this is again a premium version, and then you have all of these daily prayers, daily tasks which you can do. You can see your activities, and even in the paid version you see that activities have like some time frame, so deadline. You can just explore all of these activities. You can see a journal, tap and start journaling. In here, add entries, there is a chat, spiritual assistant, then there is a Bible which you can just read, and then there is a journal where again you just have all of these tasks which you can do, and then quizzes kind of, and that's kind of how you learn yourself. So, and then just every day you do the small exercises for yourself and do module by module, and just do learning like that. So that's kind of the idea. Then there are highlights and notes, then there is your profile, there is support, and there is highlights and notes. Again, this is all only in a premium version. There is 3-day free trial on a yearly plan, so you can try that. But other than that, there is no limited free version. So one way or another, you need to start the subscription. But of course, with a 3-day free trial, you can just cancel it after 2 days and not being charged. But that's only on a yearly plan. There is also monthly and 3 months plan. So this app overall, it's like quite expensive, but here you have it. And then you can just have all of this verse of the day app, which you can just copy and then just share it. This kind of images. Then you can also add widgets. So yeah, here you can just tap to add widget, hold on your screen, and then you will be able to add a widget. So for example, I just want to tap plus, and then I want to search widgets and add Duomo, and then verse of the day. And then, for example, you can just add it like that. Let's also check if they have lock screen widgets, widgets specifically on your lock screen. You add in it by going to your wallpaper in settings, tap add widgets, and then here, yes, they also have verse of the day widget, which you can add here right on your lock screen. So you do not need even to unlock your phone. You instantly have this widget right on your lock screen. So that's actually quite cool in here. So yeah, again, you can only do all of this in a premium version or on a trial. And then just every day you have these exercises, quite entertaining, quite interactive, like daily prayer, today's scripture, word, quiz, one-time action, which you just repeat every day. So that's the idea.